Okay, this little video will show you how we work out what the equation of an altitude in a triangle is. Now the first thing we need to know is what do we actually mean by an altitude. So if we take a triangle similar to the one I've drawn, then the altitude is a line from one corner which goes straight across and makes a right angle with the opposite side. So if our triangle was called ABC, then the stages that we need to go through are, first thing we need to do is we need to work out the gradient of that opposite side. So for us, in this example, we need to work out the gradient of AC. Secondly, once we've got the gradient of AC, we need then to work out the perpendicular gradient. Once we've got the perpendicular gradient, we're then going to use y minus b equals mx minus a to find the equation. So here's a little quick example. We've got the points D, E and F, and I've plotted them on a little grid for us to help us. And we want to find the altitude through C. That's good when I've got a C, sorry. Let's find altitude through F. So this line here, which goes straight across and cuts that side at 90 degrees. So first thing we need to do is get the gradient of the opposite side. So MDE. So for our example, that's going to be -2 take away 6 over 1 take away -4. Okay, that's using the 2 from here, take away the 6, and the 1 from here, take away the -4. Now that gives us -8 over 5. Once we've got that, next thing we need to do is we need the perpendicular gradient. So the perpendicular gradient is the gradient turned upside down and change the sign. So that will be 5 over 8. Okay, so looking over here, the -8 over 5 becomes 5 over 8. Lastly, we plug that information into our formula. So y take away, now because we are doing the altitude through F, then we're going to use the point F in our answer. So y take away 5 equals 5 over 8 x take away 7. Now remember how we go about sorting this out. The bottom number multiplies that side, the top number multiplies that side. So that's 8 minus 40 is equal to 5x take away 35. And if we tidy all that up, just move that up a wee bit, then we've got 8y minus 5x, and then the -40 from here goes over to this side where it's going to add on to the -35, which is going to give us a +5. So the equation of that altitude is 8y minus 5x equals 5.